Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to get rid of green screen in Davinci Resolve 18. So I want to get rid of this green screen in this clip. First thing you need to do is go over here to this effects panel, click on that, and you can close this media pool. Then go over here to open effects, click on it, and scroll down until you find this 3D keyer, and drag and drop it on your clip. Then go here to this icon, this drop down, click on it and select Open FX Overlay just to see what you are doing. Select it and then don't forget to press on your clip to select it so it outlines in red like this. And then click on this pick icon in this 3D keyer. If you don't see, just go over here to this FX panel and you can extend this keyer and then draw a line like this. And as you can see, draw everywhere where it is not black. And basically what it will do, it will get rid of the green screen. When you let go like this, as you can see, you have only green screen lines around your subject. To fix this, you can simply go over here and choose this pill and then basically go up with it. Go more, as you can see, you can zoom in to see what you are doing. And it needs a little bit more, as you can see. And something around this will be fine. And as you can see, my green screen is now completely gone. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.